MVC. Here PHP web framework Laravel is followed. MVC approach model view controller model is used to make table design as backend view is use for user as front-end controller is use and communicator between them. Hello friends, Laravel is PHP web framework use MVC model view controller is necessary for business logic like insert data. So let's look HIW to create controller using PHP artisan command. Please see whole video and subscribe and share. Communication between front-end to back-end in controller logic like insert, update, delete. It controls the communication. MVC framework is easy for making code and design differently so both work can do parallel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn about Laravel controllers, one of the most important concepts in Laravel. Before we start coding, let's understand what a controller actually is. A controller is a PHP class that receives requests from users, processes them, and returns the appropriate response. Instead of writing all your application logic inside the routes file, Laravel allows you to keep that logic inside controllers. This makes your code cleaner, more organized, and easier to maintain. Let's see how to create a controller. Open your terminal and type php artisan make controller home controller. Press enter, and Laravel will create a new file named homecontroller.php inside the app HTTP controllers folder. Now open this file. Here you can create different methods to handle different requests. For example, the index method is commonly used to display a list of records. The create method displays a form for adding a new record. The store method saves the new record into the database. The show method displays a specific record. The edit method shows the edit form. The update method updates an existing record. And the destroy method deletes a record. These methods are commonly used when working with resource controllers. Now let's connect the controller with a route. Open the routes web.php file and write route get/home homecontroller class index. Now, whenever a user visits the /home URL, Laravel automatically calls the index method of the home controller. Using controllers has many advantages. They keep your code organized. They separate business logic from routes. They make your application easier to maintain. They support middleware and dependency injection. And they follow Laravel's MVC architecture. To summarize, controllers are responsible for handling user requests and returning the correct response. They are one of the core building blocks of every Laravel application. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming Laravel tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy coding!